Today we're going to be looking at certain Canva apps that you probably didn't know exist. This one is going to be called Krikey AI Animate. So if you have Canva, I have the pro version. We would just go over here to apps, and I'm going to type in Krikey AI Animate. This is the one that you want to click on. And it's going to generate 3D animating talking avatars. I love this for teachers as well as any other creatives that need like quick animations. Look how cool that is. Okay, so we're going to open up a new design. I'm going to do a video at 1080. And over here, you will actually get to choose an avatar. Yes, these are pretty generic. You cannot customize them, but they have a couple that you can choose from that are actually quite interesting. So I am going to actually choose the skeleton here for this demonstration, and then you will choose an animation. I'm sorry, and I'm going to go ahead and choose the chicken dance just to give an idea of how this works. You will enter a script here, but for just practice, we're going to go ahead and keep the script. We're going to keep the voice of the model. I'm putting it on English. He doesn't need an accent. We're going to go ahead with American. And we're going to keep the voice friendly at Ruth. This does use credits, and this will be using one of the 20 credits that is given in our Canva at this time. So let's generate the video, see what we come up with. Okay, so it's not taking that long. Okay, and once the video is here, I like to set it as my background. Let's play. Okay, so I think this is pretty cool, and I like. We're going to change this background. That's for sure. But I do like what's going on here. So I think I want to add a couple of pages just to give you an example of what all we can do. We're going to change this script. So I'm going to head on over to ChatGPT, and let's think of a subject. I think I want to do a video on keep dancing. Let's say create. Oh, I can't spell it. Create me a script on why you should keep dancing. I will need 4 pages of no more than, let's say, 300 characters. Let's keep it short. Okay, so page 1, I'm actually going to go ahead and copy this. I'm going to take it over to my Canva. I'm going to throw it in here. And I'm actually going to delete this. And I'm going to generate a new video. And while that is generating, I'm coming back over here to ChatGPT to get ready for my second page. Okay, it is still generating. And these aren't long videos. So again, if you're a teacher, this is really great to use in the classroom. Okay, let me just. That is cute. You know what? I think I'm actually going to take this and break it up instead of having 4 pages because that felt so long. So dancing is more than just moving to music. It's a celebration of life. It allows you to express emotions, connect with others, and free your spirit. I'm going to keep it for now. I'm going to keep it for now. I know what we can do to change this up a little bit. So I'm going to paste this one and we're going to generate another video. And while that's generating, we're going to go back to ChatGPT and get ready for page 3. Okay, come back over. And the wonderful thing about this, if you notice, it was only taking 1 credit. So it's not taking a lot of credits if you're just trying this out like I am. Okay, it is getting the image together. Oh, you know what, you guys? I didn't change the dance. That's one thing I didn't do. Let me see. I wanted to change the dance. So we did the chicken dance the first time. I wanted to change it to maybe this one. So I'm going to delete this and we're just going to generate this again. Okay. Let's see what that is. Okay, so that page is done. We're going to move on to page 3. Okay, we have already gotten our script from ChatGPT. We're on page 3. So from here, we're going to change the dance. And I think we're going to go down to another dance type. And I'm going to generate, oh, this one takes 3 of 16 credits, but that's fine. We're going to generate that video. So far we are up to about 41 seconds. So it looks like we could probably have at least a minute worth of videos without purchasing the animation at credits. So we have 1, 2, 3. Now we're on to the last page and we're going to do, let's see. Shimmy dance. Okay. And we're going to generate. So this is going to be our last video. And this is probably a 60-second animation that you're getting with Canva. Okay. So what we're going to do here is I'm going to remove the background on every single image. I'm going to pause the videos and I will come back after every video has had its background removed. Okay, I just finished removing the background. I'm now going to make this video. Nope, actually I am not. I am going to be putting a background behind this, so I'm going to just cover the screen with him. Okay, we're on the last one, and I am removing the background from this image. While we are doing that, I am going to look up some elements. I want something that's screams party, but I like this. Let's see what else. I'm kind of liking this confetti falling everywhere. Okay, so now the background has been removed. This one was the very last one. I'm going to put it like that. And I like this disco ball. So this is what we're going to do. We're going to put a disco ball over top of him. And I'm going to copy this. And I'm going to paste it on every slide I have. And let's go to slide number 4. Okay. So now that I have it on every slide, I want a fun background. And we're going to go back up. Let's see. Do we like all of this color? Not sure about that one. Not sure about that one either. I like the idea of the falling stars. Oop, stars. I meant stars. This is pretty. I actually like that. Is that too much? That may be too much. So let's see. Still don't really like that one. And this is one of the things that we go through as creatives. Just finding the right thing. And I want to change the color. Probably something like that. Maybe we should do that instead of having so much confetti. And then I'm going to actually group this. I'm going to group this, and I'm going to go to each slide and paste it. Oh, sorry. We didn't. Where did I group it at? Oh, we were already down here. Okay. So we're going to go ahead and I like to copy it. We're going to paste it on each slide. We're going to paste. Keep going to each slide. And then from here, I am not crazy about how slow she's going. As far as her speech. So the lady was going a little too slow for me. So what I'm going to do is hit on the button, make sure that this is showing. I'm going to go to edit and go to video speed. This is good. So then I will go to each one and edit. And edit. Okay. Okay, so that is that. So what I would do next is it shows that it's only 58 seconds. Hey, thank you for watching all the way to the end. I hope that this video was helpful for someone. If you would love to continue to see videos like this from me, please go ahead and hit that like, share, and the subscribe button. Until next time, Happy New Year, and I'll see you again, YouTube. Bye.